Sterling baseball tonight, guys. 2 boxes. There's a couple of them. Bowman Sterling tonight. Good luck, guys. First one you got is Twins at Nick Gordon. Nick Gordon for the Twins. Refractor. Toronto Blue Jays to 75. Max Pentecost. Max Pentecost for the Blue Jays. Texas Rangers base auto, Luis Ortiz. For the Rangers, Luis Ortiz. On card refractor number 275. For the Marlins, Colin Moran. Colin Moran. Got refractor, Garen Cicchini. Red Sox, number to 199. Boston, base auto, Blake Swihart. Blake Swihart. New York Mets, base, Gavin Cicchini for the Mets. Refractor number to 150. St. Louis Cardinals, Oscar Tavares. Oscar Tavares. Got Blake Swihart, Red Sox. Refractor 199. Refractor for the Marlins to 125, Tyler Cole. Tyler Cole. Twins, number to 75, Nick Gordon. Nick Gordon, 75 for the Twins. Angels, refractor, number to 50. CJ Cron. CJ Cron. Got to your Luis Sardinas, Rangers. Colorado Rockies, Tom Murphy. Tom Murphy. Atlanta Braves. Base, Lucas Sims. Redemption, base for Tigers, Derek Hill. Derek Hill. Got Brandon Finnegan, base, your Kansas City Royals. Twinkies, base, Miguel Sano. Miguel Sano. Got a base for the Braves. Jose Peraza, base for the Braves. Jose Peraza. Refractor auto to 25. For the Atlanta Braves, Aaron Ashcraft. Aaron Ashcraft, number to 25 for the Braves. That's pack box 1. Got a Michael Conforto for the Mets. Cleveland Indians base auto Clint Frazier. Clint Frazier. Seattle Mariners base Gareth Morgan. Redemption Royals Chase Bauer. Chase Bauer. Box 2, then we'll call it a night. Gab Refractor, Nats, Lucas Giolito. That one numbered to 25 on the Washington Nats, Lucas Giolito, 25. 25. Indians Refractor to 99. Justice Sheffield. Boston Red Sox base Matt Barnes. Refractor to 99. Pirates Gregory Polanco. Got Tony Wolf, Indians base. Cincinnati Reds Refractor numbered 150, Alex Blandino for the Reds. Cubbies base Kyle Schwarber. Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Redemption Red Sox Michael Chavis. Got Nick Howard for the Reds. Pirates Refractor 125. Austin Meadows. Boston Red Sox. Sean Coyle. Sean Coyle for the Red Sox. Cleveland Indians at 99. Braxton Davidson. Got Reds Billy Hamilton. Giants Kyle Crick. Kyle Crick, base for Giants. Got a base for the Astros. Astros, Carlos Correa. Carlos Correa. Mets base, Michael Conforto. Got a Julio Teheran for Braves. Oakland Athletics, Raul Alcantara. Milwaukee Brewers, Jacob Gatewood. Cubbies, Javier Baez. Javi Baez for the Cubs. Last pack, James Paxton, Mariners. Number to 199. Cincinnati Reds Refractor to 125. Cincinnati, Robert Stevenson. Robert Stevenson. Base for the Houston Astros, Mike Foltz. And finishing Bowman, Sterling tonight. Milwaukee Brewer pitcher, Jimmy Nelson. I will double check, but I do not believe there was any White Sox. I don't believe so. Give me just a minute.